In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of any business. With millions of websites competing for attention, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and attract your target audience. This is where search engine optimization, SEO, comes into play. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can improve your website's visibility on search engine result pages, SERPs, drive organic traffic, and ultimately boost your online marketing success. Keyword research, the foundation of SEO. Keywords are the building blocks of SEO. They are the words or phrases that users type into search engines when looking for information or products, services related to your business. Conducting thorough keyword research allows you to understand what terms people are using to find businesses like yours. Start by brainstorming a list of relevant keywords that align with your business offerings. Then use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify high-volume and low-competition keywords that have the potential to drive targeted traffic. On-page optimization. Optimizing your website for search engines. Once you have identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your website accordingly. Title tags. Include relevant keywords in the title tags of each page on your website as they provide context about what each page is about. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions that entice users to click through from SERPs while incorporating relevant keywords naturally. Header tags. Use header tags, H1, H2, H3, strategically throughout your content hierarchy to structure it properly and make it easier for search engines and readers alike. URL structure. Create clean URLs that include descriptive words related to the content on each page rather than generic numbers or symbols. Image optimization. Optimize images by adding alt text with appropriate keywords so search engines can understand their context. High-quality content, the king of SEO. In the world of SEO, content is king. Creating high-quality and engaging content not only attracts users but also helps search engines understand the relevance and value of your website. When creating content, focus on providing valuable information that answers your audience's questions or solves their problems. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your content to improve its visibility in search results. Remember to diversify your content formats by including text, images, videos, infographics, etc., to cater to different user preferences. Link building. Establishing authority and credibility. Link building plays a crucial role in improving your website's authority and credibility in the eyes of both users and search engines. By earning backlinks from reputable websites within your industry, you signal to search engines that others find value in what you have to offer. Start by reaching out to industry influencers or other websites with similar interests for guest blogging opportunities or collaboration opportunities where you can provide valuable insights or share resources related to your business niche. Additionally, create compelling content that others would want to link back to organically. Mobile optimization. Catering to on-the-go users. With mobile devices becoming increasingly popular for browsing the internet, it is essential for businesses to optimize their websites for mobile responsiveness. A mobile-friendly website not only provides a better user experience but also improves its chances of ranking higher on SERPs as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Ensure that your website design is responsive across different screen sizes and resolutions so that users can easily navigate through it on any device without compromising functionality or readability. In conclusion, implementing these foolproof SEO strategies will undoubtedly help skyrocket your online marketing success. Conduct thorough keyword research. Optimize on-page elements. Create high-quality content. Build authoritative backlinks. Optimize for mobile devices. By following these strategies, you can improve your website's visibility, drive targeted traffic, and ultimately achieve higher conversions. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, so regularly monitor your website's performance and adapt your strategies accordingly to stay ahead of the competition.